Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will learn how to use a combo box in Power Apps Canvas app. First, let's understand what a combo box is. A combo box is a control that allows user to select an item from a list. It also provides a search option and we can enable multiple selection if required. Now, this is a blank canvas app. Go to the insert and search as combo box. So by default, a classic combo box is instead if you want. So I am using this one. Now select the combo box and go to the items property. By default, Power Apps may show demo values like item 1, item 2, item 3. So I am using the same. This create a simple static list with 3 items. Now insert a text label. Select the label. Go to the text property. Remove the existing text and write combo box canvas 3, name of the combo box. Selected, return the selected item, value, display the actual text. This means whatever item we selected in the combo box will be shown in the label. If you want to change the text color, select the label, go to the properties panel and change the color as needed. Now select the combo box again, go to the properties panel. Under behavior, you will see the option allow multi-selection. If you enable allow multiple selection, user can select more than one item at the same time. Example, item 1 and item 2 can be selected together. If you want, you just need to turn this toggle on. Now, I want to increase the font size of this combo box. Go to the properties panel and you can increase the font size from here. This make the text inside the combo box more readable. Now I want to increase the font size of this label. So you can change it from here. Now click on preview. If I selected item 1, it is visible in the label. And if I selected item 2, it is also visible in the label. Now I want user to select more than one item. So go back, select the combo box, go to the properties under the behavior, enable allow multiple selection. To enable multiple selection, no formula is required. You just need to turn this option on. Now I want to show the all selected items in the label. So select the label again, go to the text property and replace the formula with this. Selected item return all the selected item from the combo box. Concat combine all those values. The comma separate each selected item. So if I selected item 1 and item 2, both value will be displayed together in the label. Now view the app again. If I selected item 1, it is visible here, and if I selected item 3, it is also visible here. This confirms the multiple selection correctly. In this video, we learned how to configure and use a combo box in Power Apps with single and multiple selection. Thanks for watching.